Today I am thrifting at the Goodwill Outlet Bins. I do not have a lot of time as usual, so we're going to do a quick lap and see what we can find. Oh, here's some poinsettias right here, and they're in the pots. They look like they're in really good condition. I've been trying to gather these, that way on my front porch this year for Christmas I can add some red poinsettias. So I'm going to get both of these. I'm not sure how much they are at the store, brand new, but no way they're going to be cheaper at the store than they are at the Goodwill Bins. This one might have fell out. Just stick that back in there. It's a little bit later in the day. I don't think they're going to be bringing out any new stuff, but we can still look. This is the only time that I could come today. Oh, that's cute. It does have a chip right there. Is that an egg? I think it might be an egg. I thought it was hand painted, but I think this is actually from a store. I'm seeing lots of toys today. Picture frame. The music isn't too loud. I'll try to bring y'all with me. And it's pretty empty in here. It's not too many people. Let's go look at the furniture real quick. A recliner. There's a poof. Has some stains on it. This would be good for outside. Trying to see if it unzips where you could take it off and clean it, but I don't see a zipper on it. That's unfortunate. I'm gonna leave it here. Ooh, look at this beautiful lamp right here. Rusty gold. Y'all know how I've been loving the rusty gold. I wish this base looked like this. How much is it? $6.99 for this piece. Just a little desk and chair. Some sofas. Microwave, an oven. The balance beam is still here. A table. Oh my gosh, look. It's a bunch of little peppermint. I think you stick them in the ground. It looks like they got a stick on them and they light up. Ooh, look at this piece right here. It's $20. Oh, here is a flag. I will take that. Oh, here's some baskets. Okay, take these as well. It's over here. Little sled. Cigar box. This has a really cool look. Oh, I think there's something inside. Alright, I want that. Is this a round brick? It's very heavy. There's a bunch of wood stuff right here. It's a cutting board. Somebody painted that. I think it's cute. What y'all think? I'm gonna add it somehow. I left my cart again somewhere over there. Don't yell at me. I got distracted by the furniture. What are these? Looks like hand painted chess pieces. And the box. Oh. I don't know if it has all the pieces though, but it's a hand painted set. I really like it. Somebody spent a lot of time doing this. This looks like something I would have did when I was younger. Okay, that's my bin of junk right there. It looks like there's no more chess pieces in this bin. Just wanted to make sure. My boys know how to play chess, so I'll get them to check it. I like these pink ones. These pink bulbs. This one's interesting. That's really pretty. They're plastic. There's a silver one. Those will look good on my retro tree that I'm doing this year. I might come back and get these ones that are a little more interesting. I need to go get my cart. Uh-oh, somebody's coming. Okay, I got my stuff. I was worried somebody was gonna come take it. Let me put it in the cart, and then I want to go back and get a few ornaments. Some more red flowers right here. Those are not poinsettias. Some more Christmas ornaments too. Corner market. Ooh, I like the color of these candles. I don't have any of that color. That would be pretty for spring. What is this? Look how adorable. It's a little duck on a nest. I think it's broken. But that doesn't matter. This would be so cute for a little trinket tray. And look at this guy. He's cute riding his little wagon. I think we're gonna get these pieces right here. Some more toys. Bamboo drinking straws. Some little bears. Are these Boyd's bears? I don't know. I can't see the tag. I'm gonna look at it. Oh, I like him, but he's missing an arm. He's so cute. This looks like Boyd's bears. This one doesn't have a tag though. I don't know. There's two of these things. I don't know what they are. Maybe the feet to something, you think? I think that's what it is, the feet to something. I'm gonna put him up here because maybe I'll find his other arm. I should put these in my cart, right? What is that box right there? Ooh, it's a sewing box. And it actually has the doors. A lot of time when I find these, one of the doors is missing. It needs a paint job. That's okay, we can do that. Or do y'all like it like this? It's kind of gold and chippy, but I don't know. I don't know if I like that part. If you have any opinions on what color I should paint this, definitely leave me a comment below. Sorry, the music is really loud right here. This is cute though. It's a baseball growth chart. That, I wish I knew somebody that might want that to rescue it for them. Looks like it hasn't even been used. I don't know if I'll find anything I like in here. It looks like a bunch of birthday stuff and toys. These are all over the stores right now. Some more ornaments. Red frosted. What's this? It is some curtain panels, Frank and Lou. These are really cute. What size are these? They're still in the bag. Is it 2 panels or 1? I think it's just 1 panel. If it was 2, I would get it to resale. It's 74 inches. Yep, just 1 panel. Of course, lots of clothing here. Lots and lots of clothing. I'm almost out of town, but I want to check back here real quick where they have some more walls of stuff. They added these recently. This is cute. Needs a lot of TLC. Oh my gosh, $10 for that little piece. Okay, is nobody buying this? This is still here. Yeah, it's little candy canes to put around your walkway. That's the only thing in this basket. I don't know, I don't think that's for nobody. So I feel like over here they usually have a lot of toys, but sometimes they have good stuff. So I'm just gonna look real quick and then I need to go get in line and get out of here because I gotta pick up Ren from theater. Some beds right here. There's a bunch of picture frames, but I don't know what that stuff is on it. I'm gonna not touch that. Oh, this is actually plastic. It does have some issues. It's $10. I don't see that awesome wool rug that was here the other day. Hopefully somebody rescued that. Okay, I got to go, but for this very quick trip, I feel like we got some really good stuff. So y'all leave a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite item that I got. I grabbed a few of those Christmas ornaments, the ones that I like. We got the little duck in a nest, this little cutie right here. So I'll put a total on the screen of what I spent, and I will see y'all in the next thrifting adventure. Bye guys.